This is the last update. This is the large display. I think it's 10 inches Hyundai Kia cars, and this is how to change the route options if you want to take more highways and so on. Is not very elaborate, but it's at least is there. So once you set your destination, you have one of the options is this button, route avoid options. And it gives you these options: avoid ferries. It's really very limited, very limited. And don't forget to click recalculate here. If you uncheck or check cases, just click recalculate. It will give you more route options. You have this button and it says route options, and it's going to give you several routes. In this situation, there's 2 routes, but it's going to give you several routes if there's more options there. On Hyundai Kia cars, from the home screen, you just swipe to get all these settings. Swipe again. There is 3 screens. This one, the third. If I tap on the navigation menu icon, it gives you these icons, and you do have route options, but this is grayed up. It doesn't respond. I don't know. I don't know. Route overview as well is grayed. What's the reason for this? I'm not quite sure. This is the GPS, and we don't have BlueLink, and it says somehow it wants to connect to BlueLink, and it says unsuccessful. I don't know. It's like BlueLink doesn't work to connect the car to GPS, but you don't need BlueLink. We don't have the subscription. You just click offline routing, and it's going to work. It's going to just direct you correctly, even if you don't have BlueLink subscription. And you see now it's calculating the distance, and it gives you all the information for the GPS directing offline. So it works even if you don't have BlueLink subscription.